Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your debit card number using the Chase app. First, let's talk about debit cards using the Chase UK app as an example. Start by opening the Chase UK app on your phone. On the home screen, look for your account or debit card tile. Tap on it to open the account details. After that, look for an option that says See Card or Show Details. This option is usually easy to find within the card section. When you tap on See Card or Show Details, your full debit card information will appear on the screen. This includes the full card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Now let's quickly cover credit cards using the Chase app in the United States. Open the Chase mobile app and sign in with your username and password. Once logged in, tap on the credit card account you want to view. Swipe up on the screen and tap on Manage Account or look for Statements and Documents. Open your most recent statement. On the first page of the statement, near the Chase logo, you will usually see your full credit card number. If you cannot find the number, you can contact Chase support directly through the app for help. Thanks for watching.